Hi store owners! Today, I'm going to show you the Wholesale Order Form plugin on my store. This is the tool that replaces the clunky shop page for my wholesale buyers. One page, all products, fast ordering. I'll walk you through how to set it up, customize the form, and control who can get access to it. Once the plugin is activated, it automatically creates a default order form and a page for it. I can find all my forms here under Wholesale, then Order Forms. I can create additional forms for different occasions, maybe one for a specific product category or one for a VIP customer group. Just by clicking Add Form, each form gets its own shortcode so I can drop it anywhere on my site. Here's the form builder. The form has 3 sections: a header, the product table, and a footer. I can drag elements in from the Edit Form panel on the right, things like a search bar, category filter, cart button, and drop them exactly where I want them. It's quite flexible once you get the hang of it. Each element in the form has a settings icon I can click to customize it. For columns, I can rename the column title, make it sortable, show or hide stock quantities, display SKU, and adjust product thumbnail sizes. I'll just tweak these until the form shows exactly what my customers need to see. There are 2 ways customers can add products to their cart. The first is the Add to Cart button. 1 button per product row, Ajax driven so there's no page reload. The second is checkboxes. Customers tick multiple products and add them all at once with a single button at the bottom. I tend to use the button option for faster ordering, but checkboxes give that classic order sheet feel. My customers can search by product name or SKU on the search input. Filter by category and product are available. I can configure which of these are available from the Settings tab in the Builder. I can also control whether out-of-stock products show up and include or exclude specific products from the form entirely. By default, the form loads 10 products per page. I can change that in the pagination element settings. Alternatively, I can switch to lazy loading in the Settings tab. This loads more products as the customer scrolls, which works really well for large catalogs where you don't want to overwhelm people with page numbers. Finally, I can restrict who actually sees the order form. In the Settings tab under Form Permissions, I pick which user roles are allowed access. If a customer doesn't have one of those roles, they won't be able to view the form at all. This is how I make sure the order form stays wholesale only. And that's the wholesale order form setup on my store. It's a big upgrade for your wholesale customers compared to the standard WooCommerce shop pages. I'll link the full documentation below. Drop any questions in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.